Hi, welcome to Phoenix Blue Designs and Travel, and this is room 8170, cabin 8170 on Oasis of the Seas. So let me take you through. You have a closet. I think this is just a standard balcony. It has the safe, some cabinets, and then some hanging space. Over here you have some more storage space and fully mirror. And the bathroom, it has the capsule shower. It's pretty standard for a balcony cabin. There's the shelving here. It looks like it's double, but that's actually a mirror. Oh, sorry, hi. It's actually a mirror. And then they have chargers up here for your shavers, or plugs for your shavers. Oh, I missed those on the wall. And open it up, and you have a removable shower head, hair and body wash, more hooks on the back of the door. Then we have a desk and chair, mirror, TV. I wonder if it moves. Yeah, it moves a little bit. Moves a lot, kind of, to make it easier to see from the bed. Oh, and we are Emerald. So Emerald, we got cookies, and 4 bottles of water. Plug situation here. Looks like standard plugs. 3 of them. Sorry. Thank you, Mr. Fana. Then we have drawers, refrigerator, and we actually brought some drinks with us. So I brought some Mountain Dew, a bottle of Mountain Dew, water, a 6-pack of water, and some Verde. And that is, I'm sorry, I twisted it the wrong way. We got raspberry, I think watermelon. And it is a twist off, so you don't need a corkscrew to get it off. Here's the table, sofa, phone, lights, daily compass. They left for us after day 1 of dinner. What else am I missing? I think that's it for the room. Oh, a little side table over here. And I don't think that there are any plugs. And so let me take you out to the balcony. It's a nice size balcony. I don't think it's on the bump out though, so it's not huge. There we go. I love to hear the ocean. Here's the table and 2 chairs. So again, thank you for watching Phoenix Blue Designs and Travel. Balcony cabin 8170. Oh, there's Mr. Vanna posing. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you are liking these videos and they are helping you. Thank you. Bye.